Hi babes, if you are looking for a great to grow your hair or you are suddenly experiencing excessive breakage, do well to save this video. It's going to help you. We are going to use only 2 ingredients, and our first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Guys, fenugreek is one of my favorite ingredients. It really promotes hair growth. It nourishes the hair. It increases hair shine. It also boosts hair elasticity. It contains lots of antimicrobial and antifungal properties that is able to nourish the hair. Our second most potent ingredient is rosemary. I'm sure by now you've seen most of the uses of rosemary for hair growth and how powerful it really grows the hair. Yes, in this video we are using it to make hair growth spray, and you see how powerful it's going to work on your hair. Rosemary is also very effective for hair growth if you use it as an hair oil as well. So yes, I'm using about 2 teaspoons of rosemary and then 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in order to make this hair growth spray. You can just decide to boil these seeds together or these hairs together and then use the water as your hair growth spray, or just infuse it into hot water for about 30 minutes. I'll definitely go for the easier one, the infusing into hot water. So I pour it into a container and then added water like what you are seeing in this video. You could tell that the color of the fenugreek has been released into this water. It's not very deep. But then when you allow it to sit for a while, the real color comes out. And this is the real color. To know that the fenugreek has been infused, the seeds become bigger than it used to be when you added hot water. So I transfer it into my spray bottle and this is ready to be used. You can store this for a maximum of 5 days without it going bad, or you can put it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. This can be used as a hair growth spray. You can use it as a leave-in spray when you are coming to moisturize your hair. So yes, this is time to moisturize my hair. My hair is very dry and my scalp needs some gentle herbal mist to make it strong and healthy. So I first of all spray some onto the hair and then divide it into individual sections. I'm coming to moisturize my hair because my hair has been very dry for a while. After I shampoo the hair, I haven't really moisturized it. I just let it be like that. So I'm coming to moisturize the hair with some hairspray and then shea butter. It's important to always make sure that your hair is well moisturized, because dry hair is what causes breakage. You notice your hair breaks a lot when it's dry, but when it is well moisturized, moisturized means water and oil or water and cream, so that it really keeps in the moisture in your hair for long. Because our hair is kinky, do well to moisturize your hair very well. At least 3 times in a week should be okay. That is if your hair is exposed like what you are seeing my hair. My hair is really exposed, so it's important to do well to moisturize it as often as you can. So let's talk about using Aloe Vera for hair growth. Aloe Vera is my favorite. Like, it has been my favorite for years, for over 2 years now. And I cannot emphasize on how Aloe Vera has helped me. Sometimes I'm like, I haven't even really used Aloe Vera so well. I'm just on the surface of using Aloe Vera. But then the effect or the importance or the result I have received using Aloe Vera, I cannot emphasize on it. That is why I'm urging you all to use Aloe Vera for your hair. I'm just using fenugreek and rosemary, but there are so many other options you can use on your hair as well, like amla, neem powder, black seed, so many other options you can use. They are natural and they have no side effects. You have to use them consistently and you see how fast or how great your hair is going to grow. So this is a leave-in. You have to use it and do not wash it out. You don't have to wash it out, so that you are going to enjoy the benefit of this spray. You do not need to wash it out. After you apply it in your hair and then add your butter or your cream, you leave it there for it to do its work. Do well to focus on your scalp. If you have some scalp issues like dandruff, scalp psoriasis, scalp inflammation, do well to focus on your scalp, because this is really good for scalp issues like dandruff. If you use it consistently, you'll notice how reduced your dandruff will be and then eventually disappear from your scalp. Yes, that is how strong Aloe Vera can be. Yes, do well to make sure that your ends receive a lot of the butter and the water as well. Don't make it too watery, else everything is going to drip on your body. You have to make it enough so that at least it's going to work well, including the strands as well. not too watery that as soon as you put it on your hair, everything ends up dripping from the hair. It should be enough that it stays on the hair and it also stays on the scalp as well. So yes guys, this is how I moisturize my hair with fenugreek and rosemary, and I recommend you to do same. Don't leave your hair like that after you put the fenugreek spray into it. Please make sure you add oil or butter to it in order to lock in the nutrients in the fenugreek spray. So you can do this every day depending on your hair porosity. My hair dries pretty quickly, so every day spraying my hair with fenugreek and just adding a little bit of oil is going to go a long way in nourishing my hair, making my hair very strong and very healthy. But then if your hair porosity is very low, meaning that it doesn't lose moisture easily, you cannot do this every day. It's going to clog your pores. It's going to make your hair very dirty quickly. So just check your hair porosity and then know how you use these hairs for your hair. As usual, this is Lydia and I'm wishing you a happy new year. Yes, I'm back. This channel is all about hair growth tips using ALOE VERA, and this year I'm promising you, it's not even promise and fail, I'm promising you back-to-back content. Yes, I'm promising you back-to-back content, and I'm starting with fenugreek and rosemary spray. This is a very potent ingredient that I urge you to use it. I mentioned earlier that you can keep it without being in the fridge for a week, and if you want it to be in the fridge, you can use it for about 3 weeks and then it will not go bad. So yes, this is how I use fenugreek and rosemary water on my hair as my leave-in spray. I use it every day because my hair is highly porous and my hair loses moisture very quickly. And then I follow up with shea butter because shea butter is a very good natural ingredient that is able to really nourish the hair and the skin. But I'm using it on my hair because of its benefit. I'm also focusing on my edges because I've been wearing wigs for a long time, since 2023, and I want to grow my edges this year. So I'm going to stay away from wigs this year so that I can focus on my edges and grow them as well. As usual, I'm growing them with herbs. I finally follow up with some hair growth oil and then massage them into my edges very well so that I revive the hair follicles on my edges in order to grow my edges very well. Guys, I'm ending here for today. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Have you used fenugreek on your hair before? I'll be uploading another video on how you can use fenugreek paste as a deep conditioner treatment, and so many other videos. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. As always, don't forget to massage your hair because massaging the hair is what promotes scalp blood flow. It's what promotes blood circulation, and then that in turn promotes hair growth. Till next time, don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Bye.